Allison Resendiz with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show. I'm standing here with Mike. Mike, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Mike Hughes. I'm with Polar King International and I'm a sales representative for the company.
Good to see you. So we're here to talk a little bit about a couple different Polar King products. Maybe can you kind of start off with what sets Polar King apart from other manufacturers?
Okay, that's a great question. What really sets us apart is the seamless fiberglass design. Our engineer team can design anything in size from a 6x8, similar to this, to as large as 16 by 65. The big difference is the fiberglass shell. These units deliver fully built on a steel frame. Our drivers and trucks will bring them on site, set them in place. Then it's just a matter of the electrician getting power to the unit. The real value in these are the seamless fiberglass. This shell of fiberglass will protect the insulation, which retains the R value, and what that means, it's going to give the customer lower operating costs year after year. So our mission really is more not only about protecting about what's inside, but giving them the lowest possible lifetime operating costs.
Okay, I know we're going to check out your door replacements.
Okay.
Let's head over that way. Okay, Mike, if you could give me a few highlights about the Polar King door replacements.
Absolutely. So this launched last year. This is called our Polar Guard. It's our replacement door for walk-in coolers and freezers in various applications, mainly for any brand walk-in cooler or freezer, but we're also replacing doors in cold storage, warehouse doors. This is a 36-inch, but we can do up to 60 inches on this. It ships with the fiberglass frame and the door. Once it's delivered, it's up to the contractor to install it in the rough opening, bolt it in and seal it up.
Okay, very good. And now we get to talk about the Polar King mobile trailer. Let's head over that way. Tell me a little bit about what problem does a mobile trailer solve for operators? Okay,
so same seamless fiberglass design. This is not our standard line here. Our signature line, or our standard lineup, are 6x8, 12, 16, and we now have a 20-foot model. This one is the new Avalanche series. The nice thing about these is that they lower all the way to the ground, so it's very nice for customers to be able to get in and out ground level, especially if they're bringing in pallets, and then we can do the larger door with these. They run off, it's refrigeration on the go. They run off a standard 110, 15 amp line, so it helps restaurants, especially if they have multiple locations. They can get around, they just plug in the unit and it's ready to go. There's no hard wiring or anything like that, and it has an operating range of -5 to 50.
Okay, so maybe for a restaurant who's catering, that might be a good solution.
Yeah,
okay.
Got off track there. Yeah, catering, seasonal.
Okay.
Extra storage, cold storage, grand openings.
Very good. Well, Mike, thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is Allison Resendiz at the National Restaurant Association Show.